really had a lot of fun recreating these outfits. I hope you also enjoy them. Let's get started. Yeah, so guys, this whole white outfit is definitely little out of my comfort zone, and yeah, that's why I wanted to give it a try. I think it really looks very amazing, very classy, and very rich. That's how monochromatic outfits look. I mean, they instantly elevate your style. And yeah, if we are talking about Priyanka Chopra, we have to do monochromatic looks because yeah, if you look at her lookbook, most of her looks are monochromatic. So as you can see, again, this is a monochromatic look, and yeah, very minimal effort look, something which you can also create. If you do not have the same color, you can also try using the colors that you already have in the wardrobe. And yeah, it's very wearable also, again, very comfortable. And you can also, instead of wearing jacket like this, just wear it in a normal way. So yeah, quite practical outfit, and really like the way it looks. It is like instantly making me look very classy, and it looks super elevated look, super stylish as well. Yeah guys, so I really like this outfit. I mean, it's very simple and yet very elegant, and seems a very effortless outfit. And some and this outfit is quite practical, very winter appropriate, very much like the color combination as well, red and brown, something which is not usual or very common. So this color palette looks very good, and yeah, really liking it. Going to give it a try in the future as well. This color palette is amazing. So guys, this outfit is inspired by two of her looks. So the style from one look and color combination from the other look. So as you can see, it's a monochromatic look. I have paired two different shades of pink, and yeah, it's looking very classy and very elegant. And to be honest, monochromatic looks are quite easy to style, and they look very well put together. So yeah, this is the look. But there is one thing that I didn't have, like the pink shoes and the same bag, so I just styled it as per my convenience, like what I had. So guys, I really love this outfit. I mean, it has turned out so good, and it was styled very smartly. The very formal shirt, satin shirt with the jeans. So it's giving it a very casual look. As you can see, it's an airport look, so she has to be a little casual. And I mean, for casual outing, this outfit is very good. So yeah, I have paired it with with these shoes and with the sling bag to go for a casual outing. So yeah, this outfit can easily be worn for a casual outing. It is very smart, and yeah, very comfortable as well. So guys, you can see that how basic this look is. Jeans, sweater, the basic black color bag and basic black color shoes. So yeah, I wanted to recreate this to show you guys that these basic outfits can also look very nice if you're carrying them with confidence, as she's carrying it here. And yeah, so you cannot always wear those flashy looks, right? And I really love this outfit as well. It's very wearable, very practical, and color combination looks very good again.